guys, our coolant's low. So we did get these coolant lines replaced yesterday. And we got what coolant didn't go back in. I got it in the side box. We're going to stick it back in. Today is Friday, January 17th, 2020. And getting ready to start our day. Thanks for joining me, guys. Yeah, so I got my coolant topped up, and the reason why it was down is I had to drain the coolant down probably at least halfway so I could do those lines without losing coolant all over the place. So captured all the coolant coming out and put most of it back in, but it got full, so we ran the motor for a while, and so sitting overnight it settled, and I went ahead and added the rest of the coolant back in. There's probably about a pint in that jug that I haven't gotten in yet, so we may have to add just a little bit more, probably tomorrow morning or something. But anyway, we're getting ready to leave out of here. We're at the TA in Lodi, Ohio, and just getting ready to roll. It is my 34-hour reset just ended, and it's 11:15 in the morning, 28 degrees here. We're going to head back over to Fulton. We're bobtailing today. We'll be at Fulton somewhere around 6 o'clock tonight. And we're going to pick up a loaded trailer, headed down to Conestoga, Pennsylvania. We're going to get as far as we can. We'll probably only have about 5 hours to drive, maybe a little less. So we're not going to make it to Conestoga. And we'll just take our break and finish the rest of the trip tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a snowstorm. So we'll see what happens. Should be interesting anyway. All right, guys, let's hit the road. Alright guys, we are in Fulton. A little less than a mile from the plant now. It is 6:05 p.m., 13 degrees here. A little chilly. Yeah. I got a message earlier to call in before I pick up. They may switch me and send me to Vermont. Something about they got a hot load that needs to go or something. Problem is, whatever load I take, I can't make it straight through. I'm gonna have to be taking a 10-hour break though. So we'll find out here shortly. Hey, 8 p.m. tonight? You should. Can I be there by 8 p.m. tonight? You got on the text? 8 p.m. tomorrow night. Yeah, I'm here at... Yeah, I can do that. I can't. I had to take a break on the way up, but I'd probably be there before noon. Okay, yeah, that should work out, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why not. I got a reset in. So, all right, so I'm here now. I got to. I just spent a bunch of money. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yep, that'll work. All right, later. Right, bye. All right, so our loads have been switched around. We are going to, well, we've already hooked up to a load going up to Vermont. Need to get it up there as soon as I can. I do have to take my break before I get there, but that's fine. It's got to be there by 8 p.m. tomorrow night at the latest, and yeah, we should be in there by like 11 tomorrow, so 11 a.m. We're in good shape on that. Then we're going to come back down here, grab a load for Conestoga, Pennsylvania, and deliver that by noon on Sunday. And then we're going to come back up here, grab another Vermont load, and deliver that Monday night. So we'll be busy the next couple of days. Hopefully we don't have too much problems with weather. But I think the way that we're doing this, it may work out all right. I think. We're going to find out though, aren't we? All right, we almost had a snafu there. Had no trailer brakes. It wasn't the trailer, it was the tractor. I figured out that there was no air coming out of the service line. Must have been when I was in the truck wash on when was it, Wednesday night? Yeah, they must have got some water down that line. I did have it stowed though in the hook, but I guess water could get in there. And no air was coming out, it was plugged. What I did was I opened my toolbox on the side here, storage box, whatever you want to call it, and put as much of the airline inside where it's warm as I could. Waited a little while, kept air pressure on it with the trolley valve, which if you're not familiar with that is, it's some trucks, not all trucks, have a valve that you can pull that just applies to trailer brakes. We call that the trolley valve. So I just left that fully applied and voila, I heard it go. So the air was coming out all right. So we're all set. We're on our way to Vermont. Much happier about going to Vermont. If it's gonna snow, I'd rather play in the snow up here than down in Pennsylvania. Except for the Vermont part. Vermont does not get too excited about getting rid of snow when they get it. Definitely don't maintain their roads as good as New York does. Let's put it nicely. Vermont is more environmentally friendly on the roads. Meaning whatever the environment put there, the environment can keep there. Yeah, that's really not fair. They do some. Their biggest problem is they don't have the equipment. I don't see them with the big heavy-duty trucks that New York has. They have more of a medium class 6-wheel truck they use mostly. They do have some bigger ones, but a lot of times you'll see a lighter weight truck salting and plowing the highway. Okay, well it's 7:15 now. I'm thinking we're probably only going to make it as far as Malone before we have to shut down for the day. That'll put us roughly an hour and a half from St. Albans. Like I said earlier, we'll definitely be in St. Albans before 8 p.m. tomorrow night. I'm thinking we're going to be there about 11 a.m., something like that. Somewhere's around there. But it is cold. 8 degrees now here in Fulton. Boy, temperature's dropped since we got here. Okay, we still got trailer brakes. That's good. I like having that trolley valve on the truck. It's a lot easier to test the condition of your brakes with the trolley valve. Alright guys, we pulled in here to get fuel at the Irving in Champlain. We made it all the way to Champlain, but we're not getting fuel. I would have filled up today at the TA if I would have known that I was going to come to Vermont. So, it's so cold. It's warmed up now. It's 40 degrees here. It was -4 back in Malone. So it's warmed up 8 degrees. So we're at 4 degrees Fahrenheit. And I wanted to get fuel, and the pumps are running so slow. And I don't dare even put that fuel in my truck. That means it's not treated. So I'm gonna park here, and then I'm gonna go over there to the Sunoco in the morning after I get up and get fuel. We're just gonna park for the night. We only got 11 minutes left, so yeah, we did a little better than I thought. I thought we'd end up in Malone tonight, but we made another 55 miles, so that'll help us out tomorrow. So we're only 36 miles from our delivery now. Hopefully we can get over there, get our drop and hook done, get our empty, and head back and get most of the way back to Fulton before it gets nasty out tomorrow night. And truck stop's empty. There's 4 or 5 trucks here is about it. All right, outstanding. We are here, and we are parked, and we are done for the day. Let's change these remarks because I never did get fuel. I was able to pump in $1.12 in 5 minutes, so I just gave him $1.12. This is what we did today. We started out over here, just south of Cleveland. Came up 271 I-90 all the way over here to Buffalo, and then we came across here, but then we didn't actually do this blue line here. We came up right about here and came up here to Fulton, like right here to Fulton, came across back up here, and then right up there like so. That's our trip today, from over here south of Cleveland to over here just south of Montreal in New York. All right, guys, so that's it for today. We're gonna go to bed, and tomorrow we'll deal with all that weather and all that stuff, and see how it goes. Do the best we can. But I do appreciate you guys joining me today, and take care, and give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.